Hey, it's Jean, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my eyebrows from this hairy mess to this nice, clean eyebrows. This is how I groom and shape my eyebrows. Let's get right into the video. First, you're going to need that little spoolie, some tweezers, those little scissors for something, I don't even know, a nice, clean blade. Now we're going to go ahead and brush the eyebrows so that we could see any long pieces of hair that we may need to cut. Next, I go ahead and I take those little scissors and cut all the long pieces of hair that I need to get rid of. I'm just gonna brush through again just to make sure I got everything. Once I'm done with that, now I'm just gonna go ahead and start tweezing. It's a lot harder to do on camera. That's me accidentally pinching myself with the tweezer. I try my hardest to get every piece of hair because I hate looking at the mirror and seeing that one little strand just poking out. That's my pet peeve. And we're still tweezing because your girl got some thick eyebrows if you couldn't tell. Just getting that unibrow because it's gotta go. Now I'm taking that blade and sharpening them eyebrows up, making sure that I got every single little hair. I'm telling you guys, use a blade for your eyebrows. When I do that, I really see my eyebrows pop, like pop, pop. You know what I mean? Blade definitely doing his thing. Look how much cleaner the eyebrow looks compared to that fuzzy mess. Now I'm just doing a little eyebrow wiggle. I'm just gonna finish doing my other eyebrow. Y'all, is it just me that cries every single time I do my eyebrows? Because yeah, that's me. Now this may look really weird what I'm about to do, but I'm actually gonna brush my eyebrows down just because I still feel like they're a little too long and they're not looking exactly how I want them. So I'm just gonna snip a little bit. I definitely missed a spot, so I'm just taking care of that. I know my left eyebrow looks a lot different than my right eyebrow. That's just how it grows. I can't help it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!